Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on changing a decimal to a percentage. Following on from the last lesson, this video will show how to convert a decimal to a percentage. The following rule is the one to follow. To convert a decimal to a percentage, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Let's have a look at some examples to see how this very simple rule works. Convert each of the following decimals to a percentage. The first decimal is 0.23. So the rule says move the decimal point 2 places to the right. There's the decimal point, so we go 1, 2, and that gives us 23%. 0.97, the same rule applies. Move it 2 places to the right, 97%. 0.06, 1, 2, that's 6%. 0.3, 1, now we can put a 0 here and that enables us to move it an extra place. So if we put the 0 there, we have 1, 2, and that gives us 30%. 0.01, 1, 2, and that's 1%. So in each of those first 5 cases, we've moved the decimal point 2 places to the right. 0.231, you move it 2 places to the right, 1, 2, and that's 23.1%. You can still have a decimal there, but the answer is as a percent. 0.509, you move the decimal point 2 places to the right and you have 50.9%. Over here, move it 2 places, 1, 2, 7.6%. Over here, 1, 2, you can see that's a very small number, so when you move it 2 places you get 0.3%. So it's a lot less than 1%, but it is still a percentage. Over here, move it only 2 places to the right, 45.32%. Again, 2 places to the right gives us 70.28%. This one is 65.09%, and the last one is 30.08%. So this video has shown us how to convert a decimal to a percentage, and the simple rule is all you do is you move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and that does the conversion to a percentage.